Jordy here for Cinecom.net, and welcome back to Creative Wednesday, where we share awesome filmmaking and video editing tips. Now today I want to share 5 apps that you should be using right now if you're a filmmaker or a video editor. And I'm going to make sure that each app works both on iOS and Android, or at least that I have an alternative for you. The first one on the list is Milanote. Now these guys have sponsored us a while back, and that's how we get to know them. But we're using Milanote now on almost every video production. Milanote is an iOS and Android app that allows you to create boards to organize your project. Now I do have to say that the app is pretty limited, but it syncs with your desktop. They have templates for storyboards, call sheets, pre-production plans, and so much more. But you can also start a blank and create notes, images, videos, labels, and link them together. When inviting team members, you can assign tasks, give feedback to each other, and all in all, it's just an amazing web app to organize your production. Now the mobile app is more of a way to check your boards and make small adjustments and such, and I really hope that they will add more functionalities in the future. Link is in the description down below. The next one on the list is Frax Macro Deck for Android. On iOS there's an alternative called Touch Portal. Links to both are in the description down below. Now it takes a little bit of time to set up as you need to install the app, but also the software on your computer, but it goes fairly easy. Once done, you can create a custom deck of actions and short keys. You can open certain programs or perform multiple actions at once with one tap. And this could be very useful when editing. I can toggle certain panels through my phone, perform cuts and edits, quickly maximize a panel, basically anything that you can also control through shortcuts. So you can use it in a combination with your keyboards. But since you can label and color your deck, having that app could be really helpful in your workflow, such as giving color labels to your clips. You can visually see which color you're going to change the clip to. Next up is a bonus, as it's not really an app, but I do recommend every video creator to visit Storyblocks.com. It's not only our sponsor, but we also use it on almost every project. It's a huge and ever-growing library filled with VFX assets, high-quality 4K stock clips in various genres and collections. There are overlay effects, backgrounds, and any theme that you can think of. Templates for Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro, such as this transition pack. Simply download, open it up, and drag and drop into your edit to create an instant, cool-looking transition. And I can go ahead and download unlimited video assets. There are no extra fees, and I can use everything for commercial projects. So go click the first link in the description down below to check it out. I highly recommend it. Alright, let's continue with app number 3, Mark, a clapperboard app for Android. Now the interface is super simple, it's free and there are no ads, and that's why I love this app so much. Basically, you select the scene that you're about to shoot, the take number, and enable marking when you're ready. Then you ask the sound guy to start rolling, make the call by reading it off the app. Next you ask the camera to start rolling, and once you get feedback, you tap your screen to make a beeping sound. In post-production, you can hear on the audio which scene and take number that you've recorded, and on camera you can see it visually. The beep allows you to synchronize the audio with the video. Now for iOS, I couldn't really find an app that is as simple as this one, but the most popular is DSLR Clapperboard, which definitely does the job, but it comes with a ton of more features which you might like or dislike. App number 4, Sun Locator Light for Android. Now, this app allows you to see where the sun and even the moon is going to be at any given time on your shooting location. This is something very important that you want to know before you're going to shoot, so that you can make your planning and storyboard accordingly. The sun will always come from the same direction, so that's why the free version is already going to be super helpful. The Pro app allows you to check out the height of the sun on any given day, as well as the moon cycles. And there's a terrain view allowing you to see the shadows casted by the sun. Now definitely if you're doing travel videos, this is a must-have app. For iOS there's Sun Tracker AR, which doesn't have the same features, but it's free and it allows you to plan ahead and see where the sun is going to be during the day. To look at a date in the future, you do need to purchase premium, but it's just $5. And this brings us to the last mobile app, which is Shot Designer. Now, the same app is both available for iOS and Android, as well as for Windows and Mac. Basically, this app allows you to easily create schemes for a scene that you want to shoot. You can place multiple cameras in your scene as well as different characters and even props or set elements. They have a library of different lights, and that's why I love the app so much. Whenever we have a bigger project, I like to sketch out my scenes so that I can think about the different shots and how the lighting should be. Together with the team, we can then work a whole lot faster by following the diagrams. And those were my top 5 apps for filmmakers. All links can be found in the description down below. I hope there were a few in there that you find very useful, and if you have another great app in mind, then definitely share that with the rest in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Storyblocks for the support, and as always, stay creative.